Hello, good day. My name is John Gogo, a master's student in advanced computer science. Um, my presentation today in algorithm design and analysis course will be focusing on food delivery app with AI chatbot, revolutionizing online ordering um, as a whole. So we'll be going into the introduction briefly on the course. Um, Now, currently in this digital age, users and customers are demanding more speed. They're also demanding more convenience and personalized services. And this is also affecting the food delivery industry as a whole. So, the goal of this project is actually to produce a full delivery app with an integrated AI powered chatbot. And this app is actually meant to enhance user experience. It will also reduce processing time and with the aim of satisfying customers. Now, with technologies like RASA used to build this AI chatbot, this food delivery app is rest assured of a seamless and personalized service. And this AI chatbot is also an intelligent interface. It provides customers with instant responses, personalized recommendations, and order tracking, as we all know how chatbots um, function. Now, the main aim of this particular project is to fill the current gaps that we are all experiencing in the food delivery market while still laying the ground for future developments like multi-language support and promotions. So I'll be going into the literature review now, as you can see from my slide. Now, the objective of this AI of this app is actually to analyze existing literature to determine current trends and gaps in food delivery apps. Now, analyzing existing literature to determine the current trends and gaps with delivery apps, these are the findings. There is a recent trend from traditional restaurants to get some meal to staying at home and ordering your meal so that so this is the current shift with companies like Uber Eats and DoorDash currently leading the industry from my research, from my findings. They are making way for this particular trend that is currently taking over the industry. Now, AI chatbots have been found to improve customer experience. They have the potential of costing down from when it comes to customer service, and at the same time they enhance customer interactions, and they are kind of chatbot algorithms, and these algorithms they learn from the user and they are used to analyze user preferences and their order history. And that's why with the integration of this AI chatbots into the food delivery app is rest assured of personalized services and tailored application to the user. So when the user is using this application, it feels like the app was made for him or her. And that's because of the algorithms used in building these chatbots. Now, they enhance the application recommendations and also enhance sales. When customers are satisfied, they invite more people to come and use the app. So now we'll be going into the proposed solution for this project. Now, the proposed solution, this food delivery app actually will make use of many interfaces And these interfaces are where the customers can, or the users can browse the restaurants, they can check their menus, they can also place their orders. And this AI chatbot will be integrated into these apps to assist users in answering questions, providing customer support, and also order automation. It's a very, very robust kind of application, and it's user friendly. So the user can also place or make orders using the AI chatbot and also make suggestions as well. So the chatbot will be able to give recommendations, and the technologies used on the back end is the Node, the JS, and database is the MongoDB, and then the WebSocket for real-time communication. And for chatbots, we're looking at Rasa. Rasa is a kind of natural language processing library for conversion intelligence. Well, on the front end, we're looking at React Native for a cross-platform mobile application that provides great user that provides great user experience. Now, this is as you can see on my screen, this is the block diagram. That's the user interface. Now, when a user opens it up, it becomes the interface. It places the order through the chatbot. So through the chatbot, the user places his or her order, and the chatbot processes that request, and the system analyzes the request, and it fetches the restaurant details. So fetching the restaurant details from the restaurant database. After fetching the details from the database, then it comes to payment, right? As you can see, for after payment, it processes the payments with the payment gateway, and during the time for delivery during the time for delivery, the delivery order is actually taken. So when the delivery order is taken, the user will be notified. Now, when the delivery is on the way, or the delivery guy is at your door, as the case may be, notifications are also sent just to update the user on the status of his or her order. So that is the block diagram of this solution. Now we're going to come to the flow chart. As you can see, this is the flow chart of the process, right? So the user with the chatbot places an order, the chatbot processes requests and automatically navigates the user to the particular interface based on his or her request. So the user can then place his order. When the order has been validated, confirmed, and automatically the user has to make payments. Then notification is sent to the restaurant so that they prepare the meal. Then the delivery system is being alerted. Once the delivery system is alerted, delivery guy comes, picks up the meal, then the food is sent out for delivery. Now, the user has been updated on the status of the order, and at the end of the whole process, when the user receives his or her order, he can now leave, some ratings and reviews as the case may be. Now, there are algorithms that will be used to build this food delivery app. One of the algorithms is the collaborative filtering algorithm, as you can see on the screen. Now, this particular algorithm enables food items to be recommended to the users. Now, and these things are recommended to the users based on their preferences. It's also based on their behaviors and based on their history in the chatbots. While the user is using the app, unknown to the user, the application is picking up some of his or her behaviors. Some certain decisions the user is making, the application is also picking it up, and subsequently, you will see that the food items that will be recommended to this particular user will now be based on past history. and previous orders before patterns are being, you know, detected. Those patterns are identified and they are now used just to provide a kind of tailored and personalized service to this particular user. So for the computational complexity, we look at the time complexity here, and we're also considering space complexity. And so this is the pseudocode for this particular algorithm. Now, the second algorithm is the finite state machine algorithm for the chatbot flow management. So this is the algorithm that is used to manage structured conversation between the user and the chatbot. So it is just guiding the user through different ordering processes. So whenever the user makes a request, the answer or the solution to that request is well thought out. It's not just any random answer that the chatbot will give to the user. It is actually an answer or solution to their problem. It is kind of relatable, and that is made possible with the finite state machine algorithm. So this is the computational complexity, time, space, storing stats and and transitions. And also, this is the pseudocode for for this algorithm. So, uh, concluding this project, in conclusion, this food delivery app is going to enable better user experience because of instant support with this food ordering app. And the application AI recommendations, will enable operational performance, and users will be happy using this application. And for future directions, we are also looking at AI optimization and continuation to enhance the learning capabilities of this AI chatbot, also with deep learning. Now, and also multi-language support. So users with barriers shouldn't be a problem here in using this application. So no matter the language, even indigenous, as far as indigenous languages, should also be supported. Then lastly, the integration of real-time kitchen updates. Like once the food is being prepared, or once it's 5 minutes into preparation, it updates the user. The user will receive notifications about the status of the food or the meal in the kitchen. So this is what we are looking at. This is also what we are looking out for. The kind of application that I am building, an application that will set the pace in the mind, or sorry, that will set the pace in this food delivery industry. Thank you very much. And these are the references from which I was able to gather. And yeah, so this brings me to the end of this project. And I believe that with this chatbot, full-time processing would be minimized to actually accommodate a lot of users, and the AI chatbot will be of help. Thank you very much.